Hi, my name is John Craig, and this is my part 2 for CreativeWork 3. Okay, so what I added was I used the Google ML kit to recognize text within the images on the photo memos. So to do that, I implemented the photo memo model accordingly, added the label and a string value to hold the recognized text. Um, Again, on the constructor, deserialization, serialization, and all that, I'm dealing with that. Um, then in the detailed screen to show it, I added a method in the controller to show the recognized text using the existing MyDialog uh, thing, and I put that in a positioned widget in a container and an icon button in this stack on the photo memo, and I just moved it to the left side so that they could both fit on the screen. Um, okay, so in the add screen, when you take a photo, uh, we start up the image labeler. So I just went ahead and added a function for getting the recognized text out of the image in the Firebase controller. And then after that, I add the recognized text to the new photo memo object. Um, and for that function in the Firebase controller, here it is. You create a new Firebase vision image, and you get it from the image file, much like in the image labels. For this one, you use an instance of the text recognizer. And then you await the detector to process the image, and you can get the resulting text out of that. If you want to get more fine-toothed, you can, the vision text object is broken into blocks, and blocks, lines, and elements. So blocks are kind of like paragraphs, and lines are lines, and elements are kind of like words. So a word or a number or a symbol or something like that. So you could really, if you wanted to, go in and process through red text for certain images as well as translate. But I haven't implemented any of that. I'm going to probably include that in my final project. So I'm doing something with that, maybe a translator or something similar. But anyway, I think that's about it. Actually, yeah.